Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, our parents. Welcome to Island Builders Baptist School online teaching for Monday, 25th May 2020. My name is Mr. Bolujo, and today we shall be looking at elementary statistics in mathematics. The subject is mathematics, and the topic is elementary statistics. Before we move on, we shall need to explain some keywords that we shall come across in this new topic so that when we are making reference to those keywords, they will not be strange to us. So keyword number one that we are going to give explanation to is mean. Mean. M-E-A-N. Mean. Mean. This is obtained when the sum of items is divided by the total number of items that we have. I'll take that again. Mean is obtained when the total number of items is divided by the number of items that we have. How do we get the sum? We have to sum up all the items that we have been given. To sum up simply means to add them up. When we have added up those figures or those numbers that we have been given, then we now count the item individually, one by one, each by each. And the number that we get, that will be the total number of items that we have. The sum means when we have done the addition, and the total means when we count the item one by one. Let's take some example. Example 1. Example 1. Number 1. We have note that another word for mean is average. Another word for mean is average. To calculate the mean age or average, we just have to divide the sum of items that we are given by the number of items that we have. Average is another word for mean. Average is another word for mean. So when you are told to calculate average, it means you should calculate mean. And when you are told to calculate mean, it means you are expected to calculate average. Now, I said we are going to, for example. Now, for instance, for example, if you were told to calculate the mean of 11, 25, and 6, how do you go about it? So simple. You will just divide the sum of these items by the number of the items that we have. You will divide the sum of these items by the number of items that we have. To calculate the sum, you are going to say 11 plus 25 plus 6. That is the sum. And to know the number of items, you are going to say 11 number 1, 25 number 2, 6 number 3. So we have 3 items. So sum of items is going to be 11 plus 25 plus 6. It gives us 42. Hope that is correct. Take your pen and check it out. 11 plus 25 plus 6. That will give us 42. Then how do we know the number of items? We count the figure individually. 11, 1, 25, 2, 6, 3. So our mean will be 42 divided by 3. And that will give us 14. 42 divided by 3, that will give us 14. Example 2. The ages of 5 boys in Island Builders Baptist School are 8 years, another 8 years, 7 years, 5 years, and 7 years. Calculate their mean age. I told you that mean means average. The ages of 5 boys in Island Builders Baptist School are 8 years, 8 years, 7 years, 5 years, and another 7 years. Calculate their mean age. How do we go about this? To get this answer, we are going to calculate the sum of items, and that will give us 8 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7. Pick up your pen, count it. Confirm the calculation if it is correct. 8 plus 8, you count 8, you count another 8, you count 5, you count 7, you count 7, you count together. That will give you 35. And the number of items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 total number of items. For us to know the mean age, for us to know the average age, we are going to say 35 is divided by 5. And that will give us 7. 35 divided by 5, that will give us 7. Hope the lesson is understood. You are free to ask questions. You can get back to me through WhatsApp. I will always be online to attend to any questions that you have. But meanwhile, before the school resume because of the lockdown, you can take these two classwork as evaluation. The first one says, calculate the mean of 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Calculate the mean of 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And the second one says, calculate the average of 8, 0, 2, 6, and 4. Calculate the average of 8, 0, 2, 6, and 4. Thanks for listening. God bless. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye for now.